Actually, I'm not really excited for the snow. What do you think about this snow, puppy dog? Say, come here. Sit, sit. Good puppy. Good puppy. Say.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Hey guys, this is Jake at Brookhaven Farms. It is a snowy day on the farm. How beautiful it is. We're just going to go through everybody and make sure everybody's okay and get them set for the next few days. I think we got a little bit of a weather front coming in. It's going to bring a lot of cold here to us, but today's a beautiful day. We're super excited for the snow. Actually, I'm not really excited for the snow, but anyway, so we did the sheep this morning. We gave them some hay inside their barn, checking on these layers here, making sure they're all good to go. We're going to go and feed our cows a little bit of baleage, a little bit of hay, try to give them a little bit more energy. But man, is it not beautiful out here and coming down. Egan, he risked his life getting here this morning. But anyway, we're super happy that all of our animals are doing pretty good, and we're finding ways to make the next few days a little bit easier for them and us. So that's pretty good body condition. Put them back in the barn. Like them hands. Don't look like them hands want to get out of there, does it? The hands about like me. I don't think they like the cold too much. Today, as you can tell, it's really snowy. We're going to give our cows that are growing some babies in there, we're going to get them a little bit higher energy for this sorghum baleage. Let me know in the comments, how do you cut your baleage? I mean, there's a lot of different ways to do it. Maybe I'm doing something. Golly. Ooh, baby, you can put that with some milk and eat it for breakfast. Come on, guys. Get you some dinner. Let's go. Macho! Look at him running and playing. Yeah, get it! Sailor, look at them, they're excited. Man, they're looking good. Guys, the body condition on these heifers is absolutely unreal. Guys, the reason I'm not unrolling hay today is because we're calling for about 5 more inches of snow. And if I unrolled hay today on that, it could just get covered up by snow and it'd go to waste. So that's why I'm not unrolling hay today. But everybody's looking good. Hey everybody, this is Jake at Brookhaven Farms. I know that we've been a little bit radio silent past few days. However, man, it takes a lot of work running the farm and frigid conditions with a lot of snow on the ground. It's been a super busy day of feeding animals, taking care of everybody, chopping some firewood so we can stay warm, so we can take care of our animals. So hope everybody has a great day and enjoys the video, and God bless. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.